Hi all, welcome to our Make It in Minutes Monday. We're going to be making this quick, fun, easy card right here. I'm going to show you the stepped up version, just adding a couple little bling items on here, a bow and a couple gems. And otherwise you can just use it plain and can do it more for a masculine look. So we're going to get started. We're going to be using the Plentiful Plants bundle that is in our annual catalog. That is located on page 80 and 81 in the catalog. You want to purchase both of them, you'll get a 10% discount. Otherwise, if you purchase them separately, you do not get that discount. We're also going to be using our in color gems right here. And we're also going to be using a ribbon from the Flower for Every Season's ribbon combo pack. Okay, this is going to be a quick one. For our stamps on our images, we're going to be using You Touched My Heart and a little note with the biggest thanks. And we're going to go ahead and start by adhering our designer series paper onto our evergreen cardstock. We're going to be using a scrap piece of paper, and we're going to be using our everyday label punch that is also in the annual catalog, and we're going to go ahead and just punch that out. The paper that we're using today matches that bundle as well, and that can be found on page 131. It's called Bloom Where You're Planted 12 by 12 designer series paper. Okay, so now we're going to be using our evergreen, evening evergreen. We're going to stamp our sentiment. It says a little note with the biggest thanks. Tap it gently in our ink. And then I'm going to place it down more towards the bottom of our punched label. Looks pretty good. Move that out of the way. And then I'm going to take our cardstock that's going to be going on the inside of our card, and I'm going to stamp You Touched My Heart. Take our bone folder and give this a good crease. All right, now I've got my hands, I put lotion on. I'm going to make sure that's on the back side. We're going to do our card like this, so it sits, instead of it opening this way, we're going to have it open the landscape way. I'm going to take our Tombow glue again. The two side pieces we're just going to glue down real quick. All right, so now that we have that, we are ready to take our little note with the biggest thanks. We're going to pop this up on dimensionals. We're going to put our white piece and glue that down to the inside of the card. Now, if you want, you can move this up and put it towards the middle, where I stamped the greeting, and then just leave it as is and use it for a masculine card. But for this particular one, though, I am going to put a little bit of bling on like I did on here. I just like the look of adding a ribbon and a little bit of sparkle. I'm going to do a little bow here. My friend Vicki makes these. And so I'm just going to quickly do a bow. I'm going to grab a glue dot. And then we're going to take our in color jewels. This is also in the annual catalog. And I'm just going to put a couple of these on the front. So again, if you want to keep it more masculine, don't add the bow and the dots. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick card. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our other links that'll be listed below. Thank you so much.